Hi guys, welcome back to Rts Share Tea, where respiratory therapists live out loud. With me, your host, Linda Fry, the Asthma Lady. Yes, everyone, welcome to all. Welcome to anybody new. I just want to say thank you as always to everyone for all their support on all the projects that I'm doing, especially during Asthma Awareness Month, which is the month of May. So I am a very busy person this month, but I still want to continue just spreading positive vibes and, we all in it together. That type of stuff. Yes. All right, guys. So just want to let you guys know that we are having a vision board party, okay? Vision board party on June 10th. Now, also, if you need, don't forget we have the book, Asthma Control, Please, 9 Steps to Community Engagement in Asthma Awareness and Education. So, yes, this is for anybody that needs it. I get questions all the time around this subject matter. So it's in a book available for free on Amazon Kindle Unlimited, and it's available on paperback, both paperback and ebook. If you need it, you know where to get it. So this episode, guys, is in relation to, did I mention the topic of the episode? I don't know. But anyway, this episode is about emotional intelligence and knowing how to read a room and just being the new person and just being able to navigate around that in any situation. All right, guys. So that is the tone of the episode for today. So, and I'm going to try to make this as quick as possible because, I am on mommy duty today, so I have a lot of the running around to do with the baby. So yes, I'm going to try to make this quick. Okay, so this past week, I don't even know what today is. This past week, I was with the Allergy and Asthma Network. Hi guys, thank you Linda, Tori, Dee Dee, and the whole crew for the invite. I was with them for Asthma and Allergy Day on Capitol Hill. Now, if you haven't heard my past episodes on the podcast, I was talking about saying yes to new experiences and just growing from that and just, finding new opportunities and, those type of things from saying yes to new things. So, and this has been working out for me a lot because I'm somebody that has always been very, consistent with just like, this is what I know, this is my thing, and I feel safe here. But I've also felt that it is limiting when you do stuff like that, and I always want to be the best version of myself and just, like I said, just be better than yesterday's version of Linda. So this helps me. So when it comes to this topic, I got the invite to speak to those that attended the Summit Influencers event. So basically just spreading awareness about asthma awareness and education and just how to be a trusted member. So that was kind of like my topic, like how did I get the community to trust me and be able to, build relationship and partnerships with other organizations and people who have a common interest for us to come together and unite in regards to fighting asthma disparities. So a lot of people know me in that space. And so in regards to speaking about this, so I'm in a new place, a new environment. And I just want to say thank you to everyone because I had a great time and everyone welcomed me with open arms. And I really did feel like right at home and being in the space with like-minded people, you're always going to, I feel anyway, grow from that experience, learn from other people. And I love learning from all types of people. So we all have different perspectives, even though we might be doing the same thing. It's just that the perspectives are so different, and you do get a lot of aha moments. It's like, wow, I never thought of it like that. Or, oh, you're doing it like that. Oh, okay, that's cool. That's just a different way of going about it. And I love those things. Right? When it comes to emotional intelligence, what emotional intelligence is, you're identifying someone else's emotions. You have your emotions, and then kind of figuring out, well, what are we doing, or what are we gonna do with these two emotions, right? So for me, it has helped me to gain the skill of knowing how to read the room. So it's like, knowing when someone is feeling me, they not feeling me, they're still trying to figure me out, unclear what my motives are, what are my intentions. So I always try to kind of gauge the room and the person that I'm speaking to, and always come from a place of just positivity. So thank you so much for listening to me. I hope you learned something new here today. And so much more to come in the month of May. Like I said, Asthma Awareness Month. I'm all over town. So just look at the social media posts. I'm everywhere. Once again, June 10th is our vision board party. Come have a good time. If you're going to be in the tri-state area, come have a good time. Come leave with your vision board, raffles, gifts, all that good stuff. And I'm going to have the information in the description. Also, we are on the Patreon space. If you want to support Rts Share Tea, help us with some equipment, help us with the events. That would help to move forward with free events and just bringing people together. So that's what those things are about. So yes, we're doing a lot of stuff. Super excited. More guest co-hosts to come. Okay. So yes, guys. So once again, thank you so much for everything. I will see you next week. And just like always, remember to invest in yourself and only compete with yesterday's version of you. All right, guys. Bye.